Hey guys, so I want to do a really quick video to show you how to find your spelling word lists for 5th grade. You get yourself on Google, spelling, S-P-E-L-L-I-N-G, city, CITY.com, / Della, D-E-L-L-A, Tingle, T-I-N-G-L-E. That is the URL that you will type in. If you type it in correctly, the next time you are trying to go to SpellingCity.com / Della Tingle, it will pop up for you and you will not have to do all of that typing. So type it in and click enter. The Della Tingle is really important because that is where you're going to find my lists. If you just go to SpellingCity.com, it's going to take you it's going to be harder for you to find my list. You'll still have to be searching for my name. Okay, so I know there is a red register button and I know there is a blue login button, but you're not going to go to these buttons. We are just using SpellingCity as a free account, and we are not using SpellingCity where we have to pay for it, and that would be when you would have a login, when you are paying for SpellingCity features. So you can already see the list. These are our 5th grade lists this year, at least the first 2. And so we're going to start with list 1. I even have the test date ready for you, September 30th. And then we have list 2, and I have that test ready for you as well. So there are 2 things that you can do with your list. You can click on your list and wow, there are the words. You can see your words. Okay, or you can go to this games button. And I know 5th graders enjoy the games. Now, there are a lot of different things that you can do, and these things, they're all free for you to do. If you come over here and change the settings like to all, you're going to see a lot of things, but a lot of these things, they're not available to you because you have to pay for them. So I like to make sure that I have it on free. Spelling Test Me is my favorite. It's my favorite because I want to know what words do I already know, and what words do I really need to practice. Taking a spelling test will help you. So as soon as you click this button, your spelling test will load and your spelling test is ready to begin. You press the play button and the word is called out to you. The word is used in a sentence and you type the word. I'm going to go ahead and go back. Okay, Spelling Teach Me is a function. Audio Word Match is a game. Missing Letter is another game. But all of these things, check them out, see what you enjoy. My students typically enjoy Hang Mouse. I see a lot of them on Hang Mouse when we have that opportunity to get on SpellingCity and work. Me, I really enjoy that Test Me, because you've got someone calling your spelling words out to you, and then it grades it for you, and then you have the option to work on and learn on those missed words. So that's it. I just get a lot of questions when we first get started on SpellingCity. I'll have someone email me, what's the login for SpellingCity? There is none. There is no login for SpellingCity. If you go to SpellingCity.com / Della Tingle, you will have access to your 5th grade spelling words. And as the school year progresses, I will put more lists up. In fact, as the school year progresses, you'll see that I'll remove lists that we're already finished with. So, good luck, guys.